Viewers and my dear student, welcome to my channel Science and Vigyan. Today we will discuss industrial application of biochemistry. As we know, nowadays there is a lockdown period, so we have enough time to discuss some important application of biochemistry. That's we need to discuss in the Viva, because we know that after the lockdown there will be examination, and in the practical the examiner will ask the general question, because he or she will know you will have enough time to discuss these type of things also. Now, without wasting a time, we will start our presentation, right? These are the content of the presentation, like what is the biochemistry, how does biochemistry impact you, principal areas of biochemistry, industrial application of biochemistry, and their references, right? Channel Science and Vigyan, and don't forget to like and share this video. Now, what is a biochemistry? It is the application of principles and methods of chemistry to the field of biological and physiology. Or we can say that it is a combination of biology and the chemistry. It is a language of biology of basics to the understanding of different phenomena, both in biological and medical science. So we can say that biochemistry is a study of structure, composition and chemical reaction of substance in living system. It emphasizes large area of cell biology, molecular biology and molecular genetics. We can say that if biology and chemistry, they will combine, they will form the applied field of chemistry, that is the biochemistry. How does biochemistry impact you? It impacts in the number of ways. First is medicine, next is agriculture, next is there are few applications, that is the industrial and except the industrial there are the environmental application as well. Now, what is the principal area of biochemistry? We know that there is a structure and function of biological macromolecules. We know that what are the basics of the biochemistry, that are the macromolecules. And in this field we generally consider metabolism. What is the metabolism? That is a combination of anabolic and the catabolic processes. If you want to know about these processes in detail, please do mention in the comment box. What are the industrial application? First application is manufacturing of product from multiple markets. First one is a food and beverage. It is an application of food science to the selection, prevention, processing, packaging, distribution and the use of safe food and beverages. Second, healthcare. It uses chemistry of living organisms through molecular biology and cell manipulations to develop new or alternative method to find more effective ways of producing traditional product. It is also used in the field of waste treatment. We know that biochemical products have been vividly used for the treatment of various types of wastewater. They are environment friendly. The purpose of these products is to enhance the activities of beneficial microbes in order to improve the treatment performance. We can say that manufacturing by the multiple synthetic and the extractive technologies, they are mentioned below. First one is a biosynthetic. What is a biosynthetic technology? It is a multi-step enzyme catalyzed process where substrates are converted into more complex product in living organism. In biosynthesis, simple compounds are modified, converted into other compounds or joined together to form macromolecules. Next is chemical synthesis. Chemical synthesis is a purposeful execution of chemical reaction to obtain a product or several products. This happens by physical and chemical manipulation, usually involving one or more reactions. Products belong to multiple classes. First one is or we can say that these are the products, they belong to the multiple classes of the biochemistry. First one is the virus. As we know that they are being used as a vector or the carrier that take the required material for the treatment of disease to various target cells. Second one, carbohydrate. These are important macromolecules that consist of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. From the name itself clear, carbohydrates. Carbo means carbon, hydrates mean that is a combination of hydrogen and the oxygen. They are organic compounds organized in the form of aldehyde or ketone with a multiple hydroxyl group coming off the carbon chain. Next is protein. These are large complex molecules that plays many critical roles in the body. They do most of the work in cell and required for structural function and regulation of body tissues and the organ. This is a supply chain. From this picture, we came to know that in the biochemistry, generally raw material is synthesized to form the final product that will come into the market. And we can say that it is a simple supply chain. So much. This is all about the industrial application of the biochemistry. Student, if you really like to watch these videos in the future also, please do subscribe my channel Science and Vigyan. And if you have any kind of doubt regarding any field of chemistry, please do mention in the comment box. Thank you so much. God bless you. Happy learning.